What does Cantonese opera mean to you? To me, it's the sound of childhood, sitting beside my grandparents, listening, watching, and feeling. It's the joy of sharing, a stage where history and culture come alive. But it's also a fading echo, drowned out by time, change, and forgetting.
The history of Cantonese opera is very, very rich. Before the World War II, all the singing came from China.
It's a beautiful gift, woven from voices, hands, and hearts, passed down, carried forward, and shared with all. If we don't preserve it, who will?